Hello everyone, I am your maths teacher Lakhan sir from Science Academy. Down. Student, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss three important theorems for us. So the first theorem is similarity and right angle triangle. Second theorem is theorem of geometric mean, and third theorem, which is important for us in examination point of view, is Pythagoras theorem. So to understand the Pythagoras theorem, for that we need first theorem, that is similarity and right angle triangle. That means by using similarity, properties of similar triangles, we can prove Pythagoras theorem. So for that, first of all, we will discuss the theorem, that is similarity and right angle triangle. Okay. So let's start with the first theorem, similarity and right angle triangle. So the statement of the theorem is, in a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles are similar to each other and similar to the original triangle. ओके, हा आपला थेरम आहे. थेरम मध्ये काय सांगितलं पाहतो, फिगर मध्ये पहा, फिगर मध्ये पाहिल्यानंतर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, so in triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse. Why? आपण ऑलरेडी लास्ट लेक्चर मध्ये डिस्कस केलं होतं. If perpendicular line is drawn to the hypotenuse, कारण की right angle ची opposite side ही काय असते आपली hypotenuse, right? And altitude is nothing but the perpendicular line. So altitude means what? If a line segment drawn from the vertex to its opposite side, पण opposite side ला draw करताना ते काय असेल? Perpendicular line drawn from the vertex to its opposite side is called the altitude. So here segment BD is altitude for segment AC. Okay. If the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then two triangles are formed. इथे पहा, triangle ABD and triangle BDC. These two triangles are formed, and these two triangles are similar to the original triangle. So triangle ABC is our original triangle. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC, and triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC, as well as they are similar to each other. हे आपल्याला काय करायचं, प्रूव्ह करायचं. फर्स्ट पेअर काय असेल, triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC. Then second triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC, and also they are similar to each other. That means triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं. Okay. This is a statement of the theorem that in a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, altitude draw करायचं, पण कुठे करायचं आपल्याला, to the hypotenuse, then altitude drawn केल्यानंतर ह्या ट्रायंगल मध्ये नंबर ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स किती फॉर्म होत आहेत, दोन, and these two triangles are similar to the original triangle. आणि हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल जे फॉर्म होत आहेत ते ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल बरोबर कसं असणार आहेत, सिमिलर, as well as they are similar to each other. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं. सो थेरम साठी गिवन काय, इन ट्रायंगल ABC अँगल B is 90 degree as well as BD is perpendicular to the AC, आणि हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचंय. Triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC, triangle BDC similar to the triangle ABC, as well as they are similar to each other, that is ADB similar to triangle BDC. Okay, so let's start with proof. So first of all, in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, we had already discussed in the first chapter, that is in similarity, test of similar triangles. So to prove two triangles are similar, minimum two conditions are required. म्हणजे ज्या दोन मिनिमम कंडिशन लागतात त्या दोन्ही कंडिशन्स कोणत्या असतात, अँगल आणि अँगलच्या. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रूव्ह दॅट ट्रायंगल ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. So to prove both the triangles are similar, first condition is angle ADB is congruent to the angle ABC. Why? Because they are 90 degree. Second one, for both the triangles, for triangle ADB and for triangle ABC, A is the common angle for triangle ADB as well as ABC. Therefore, both the triangles are similar by using angle test. Therefore, angle ADB congruent to the angle ABC. Why? Each of 90 डिग्री, प्रत्येक एंगल हा 90 डिग्री है. एंड सेकंड कंडीशन इज एंगल DAB, एंगल DAB is congruent to angle BAC. Why? A is the common angle. A is common angle. And to prove two triangles are similar, two conditions are required. And both the conditions are for angle. Therefore, triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC by which test? By angle test. Okay. First proof झालं आपलं triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Now prove that triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. So now in triangle BDC and triangle ABC हे आपलं similar होते prove करायचं. Here also for triangle BDC and for triangle ABC, angle D and angle B both are congruent. Why? Because both are 90 degrees. So angle BDC congruent to the angle ABC. Here also both the angle, that is each of measure 90 degree. And second condition is for triangle BDC and for triangle ABC, C is the common angle, right? So angle DCB congruent to the angle BCA. Check it करा. Angle DCB congruent to the angle BCA. Why? Because C is the common angle. Common angle. Therefore, both the triangles, that is triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC by angle test. Okay. First pair जी आपण प्रूव्ह केली ती त्याला म्हणा इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. सेकंड पेयर जी आपण प्रूव्ह केली त्याला म्हणा इक्वेशन सेकंड. नाउ फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड ऑलरेडी आपण हे दोन पेयर प्रूव्ह केलेले आहेत. दे आर सिमिलर. नाउ from equation first and second, what we get here? Triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC and triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Why is it? ADB is similar to ABC, BDC similar to ABC. That means by transitivity property, they are also similar to each other. That means, therefore, from equation first and second, we get triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC from फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड. फर्स्ट मध्ये आपण सांगितलंय ट्रायंगल एडीबी हा एबीसी वरच सिमिलर आहे आणि सेकंड मध्ये सांगतोय बीडीसी हा एबीसी वरच सिमिलर. दॅट मीन्स ट्रायंगल एडीबी इज आल्सो सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल बीडीसी. That means they are similar to each other. So we are proving all the three cases. And finally, write down the statement, that is ह्याला equation number third म्हणा. So from equation first, second and third, what we get? Triangle ADB similar to ABC, triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC, triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC. That means all the three triangles are similar to each other. Therefore, triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC and triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC from first, second and third. That is by transitivity property. Transitivity property आठवते का? फर्स्ट चॅप्टर मध्ये आपण पाहिलं तर इफ A is equals to B, if B is equals to C, that means A is also equals to C, and this property is called transitivity property. And by using this property, from equation first, second and third, we get triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC and BDC is also similar to triangle ABC. So we can prove all the three cases by using the properties of similar triangle. This is what our first theorem, that is similarity in right angle triangle. Now second theorem is theorem of geometric mean. So theorem of geometric mean says in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment drawn to the hypotenuse from its opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. That means here triangle PQR is a right angle triangle where right angle at point Q. Okay, and from right angle, that means from the vertex Q, we have to draw a one perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse. So in triangle PQR, segment PR is the hypotenuse because it is the side opposite to the right angle. So, and from its opposite vertex we have to draw a one perpendicular line to the hypotenuse, and this line segment is nothing but the geometric mean, right? So here QS is the geometric mean into which the hypotenuse is divided. That means segment QS हा segment PR ला two parts मध्ये divide करेल, PS into SR. So here we have to prove that QS square, here QS is the geometric mean is equals to, आणि हा geometric mean हा hypotenuse ला काय करत असतो, divide करत असतो. So PS into SR. So the statement is, in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from its opposite vertex is the segment or is the geometric mean of the segment into which hypotenuse is divided. Simple मध्ये काय करायचंय, राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ करायचंय आणि राईट अँगल मधून परपेंडिक्युलर हायपोटेन्यूस वरती एक परपेंडिक्युलर सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करायचे. लाईकवाईज इन सिमिलरिटी इन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल मध्ये आपण तेच केलं होतं. परपेंडिक्युलर सेगमेंट ड्रॉ केल्यानंतर जी सेगमेंट तुम्ही ड्रॉ करता तो असतो तुमचा जॉमेट्रिक मीन, राईट, इंटू विच हायपोटेन्यूस इज डिवायडेड. म्हणजे फायनली आपल्याला हे प्रूव्ह करायचंय की स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू PS इंटू SR. आता प्रूफ मध्ये पहा, प्रूफ मध्ये गिवन काय आपल्याला, इन ट्रायंगल PQR, in triangle PQR. That means to prove theorem of geometric mean, we are using first theorem, that is similarity in right angle triangle. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equals to 90, and most important thing is segment QS is perpendicular to the hypotenuse PR. That is nothing but the altitude, right? And if altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then we get two triangles and both the triangles are similar to each other. जसं आपण लास्ट थिअरम मध्ये पाहिलं होतं, ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही अल्टिट्यूड हा हायपोटेन्यूस वरती ड्रॉ करता त्यावेळेस आपल्याला दोन ट्रायंगल्स मिळतात आणि हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल वर सिमिलर असतात, as well as they are similar to each other. So here also segment QS is perpendicular to the hypotenuse. That means therefore triangle QRS or triangle QSR, triangle QSR and triangle QPS or triangle PSQ, triangle QSR similar to the triangle PSQ are similar by similarity and right angle triangles. कारण आपण फर्स्ट थेरम मध्ये तेच पाहिलं होतं, similarity and right angle triangle theorem, right? So here we get triangle QSR similar to triangle PSQ. Okay, if two triangles are similar, right, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion. First chapter मध्ये आपण तेच पाहिलं होतं, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent. So here triangle QSR is similar to triangle PSQ. That means their corresponding sides are in same proportion. So take proportion of their sides, that is QS upon PS is equals to SR upon SQ, right? Corresponding sides of similar triangles. CS, ST. That means QS upon PS is equals to SR upon QS. If both the ratios are equal, then perform cross multiplication. So QS into QS, QS square is equals to PS into SR. So here QS is the geometric mean for the hypotenuse which is divided. This is the second theorem, that is theorem of geometric mean. हा theorem शक्यतो एक्झामला आपल्याला विचारत नाही, बट त्यांचे ऍप्लिकेशन हे आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये विचारले जातात. म्हणजेच प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करताना आपल्याला थेरम ऑफ जॉमेट्रिक मीनचा यूज करायचा आहे. सो when we are applying the theorem of geometric mean, if given triangle is a right angle triangle, as well as from right angle triangle, if you draw a perpendicular line to the hypotenuse, then we are applying a theorem of geometric mean. Okay, and the last theorem which is important for us, that is Pythagoras theorem, which is based on properties of similar triangles. Now तो आपण पाहणार आहोत. Now the Pythagoras theorem, which is based on the properties of similar triangles. Okay, so the first of all we are going to see what is Pythagoras theorem. Already आपण from standard 6 7 पासून आपण पाहिलेले आहे Pythagoras theorem म्हणजे काय, when we are applying Pythagoras theorem. but आता आपल्याला ह्या चॅप्टर मध्ये ऍक्च्युअल मध्ये थेरम प्रूव्ह करायचा आहे. आपण फक्त त्याचं ऍप्लिकेशन यूज केलं. आता आपल्याला Pythagoras theorem काय हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं. ओके, so the statement of the Pythagoras theorem is in a right angle triangle. Okay, so we already know that to apply Pythagoras theorem require basic condition is given triangle is a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse, okay, square कोणाचा करायचा आहे, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but the side opposite to the right angle. The square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of squares of the remaining sides. Okay, figure मध्ये पहा, हे झालं स्टेटमेंट. In triangle ABC is a right angle at point B. Okay, so if angle B is a right angle, then segment AC is the hypotenuse, because side opposite to the right angle is nothing but the hypotenuse. So what we have to do, the square of the hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equals to the sum of squares of the remaining two sides. रिमेनिंग दोन साइडचा आपल्याला काय करायचं, स्क्वेअर करायचं आणि मग त्यांची सम करायचं, दॅट इज AB स्क्वेअर प्लस BC स्क्वेअर. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं. दॅट मीन्स we have to prove that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. To prove the Pythagoras theorem, which is based on similar triangles, so to use properties of similar triangles, we have to make one construction. इथे आपल्याला एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करायचं. काय कंस्ट्रक्शन करायचे, draw a one perpendicular line to its hypotenuse from its opposite vertex. मग हायपोटेनस कोण आहे, AC, त्याचा अपोजिटचा वर्टेक्स B. ह्या वर्टेक्स पासून आपल्याला एक परपेंडिक्युलर लाईन ड्रॉ करायची आणि परपेंडिक्युलर लाईन इज नथिंग बट द altitude. So the segment BD is a perpendicular to AC. Okay, so write down the construction. Draw segment BD perpendicular to hypotenuse AC, that is BD is perpendicular to AC. ओके, हे झालं कंस्ट्रक्शन. म्हणजेच आपण इथं कशाचा यूज करणार आहे, थेरम ऑफ सिमिलॅरिटी इन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द थेरम ऑफ सिमिलॅरिटी इन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल, काय असतं थेरम, इन ए राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल इफ द अल्टिट्यूड इज ड्रॉन टू द हायपोटेन्यूस then two triangles are similar to the original triangles. त्या अल्टिट्यूड मुळे आपल्याला दोन ट्रायंगल मिळतात आणि ते दोनही ट्रायंगल ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल वर सिमिलर असतात, as well as they are similar to each other, right? So proof, in triangle ABC segment BD is perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC. Therefore, we get triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC, similar to triangle ABC by theorem of similarity and right angles. Okay, त्या थेरमचा यूज करून आपल्याला काय मिळालं, all these three triangles are similar to each other, that is triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC and both the triangles are similar to the original triangle, that is ABC. Okay, this is our equation number first. Okay, now use one relation, that is therefore आता हे तीनही ट्रायंगल सिमिलर आहेत, that means out of these three two triangles are also similar. So triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC from first. If triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC, if two triangles are similar, so we know that their corresponding sides are in same proportion. So write down, therefore AD upon AB, segment AD is proportional to AB, segment DB is proportional to the BC, and segment AB is proportional to the segment AC. Reason, corresponding sides of similar triangle CSCT किंवा फुल फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिले तरी चालेल. ओके, आता याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला रिक्वायर दोनच गोष्टी आहेत, त्या म्हणजे कोणत्या, फर्स्ट अँड थर्ड. वाय, कारण की आपल्याला प्रूफ काय करायचं, AC स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू AB स्क्वेअर प्लस BC स्क्वेअर. So from these three ratio we get AB square, that is AD upon AB is equals to AB upon AC. If these three ratios are equal, जर हे तीनही रेशो इक्वल असतील तर फर्स्ट अँड थर्ड सुद्धा कसा असेल, इक्वल. फर्स्ट अँड थर्डच का घ्यायचा, कारण की आपल्याला AB स्क्वेअर हवा, वी रिक्वायर AB स्क्वेअर. मग AB स्क्वेअर कुणापासून मिळेल, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट अँड द थर्ड रेशो. दॅट मीन्स AD upon AB is equals to AB upon AC. Okay, and if two ratios are equal, then perform cross multiplication. So we know that AB into AB square is equals to AD into AC. This is our equation number second. Similarly, जर ADB हा ABC वर सिमिलर आहे, तर BDC हा सुद्धा कोणावर सिमिलर आहे. Now triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are also similar. So take their proportion of corresponding side. So segment BD is a proportion with AB. Segment DC is a proportion with BC. And last one, segment BC is a proportion with AC. Okay, they are also corresponding sides of similar triangles. आता आपल्याला ऑलरेडी AB स्क्वेअर मिळाला, आता काय हवाय, BC स्क्वेअर. सो BC स्क्वेअर कोणत्या रेशो पासून मिळेल, फ्रॉम द लास्ट टू रेशो. दॅट मीन्स DC upon BC, DC upon BC is equals to BC upon AC. Now both the ratios are equal, so perform cross multiplication. So we get BC into BC, BC square is equals to DC into AC, and this is our equation number third. Okay, after getting value of AB square plus BC square, what we have to perform? We have to perform addition of AB square plus BC square. For that, add equation second and third. And second means nothing but AB square, and third is nothing but the BC square. त्या दोघांचे आपल्याला ऍडिशन हवे. So what we get, AB square plus BC square. ना आधी लेफ्ट हँड साइडचे ऍडिशन करा. So AB square plus BC square. आता राइट हँड साइडचे ऍडिशन करा. That is AD into AC plus BC into AC. Okay, therefore AB square plus BC square is equals to, ह्या दोन्ही टर्म म्हणून कॉमन काय, ही फर्स्ट टर्म आणि ही सेकंड टर्म, दोन्ही मध्ये कॉमन काय, AC. After taking AC as a common, remaining AD plus DC, right? So see in the figure, what is AD plus DC? AD plus DC is nothing but AC. So we get AB square plus BC square is equals to AC into AC. Why? Because AD plus DC is equals to AC. Finally, AC into AC is nothing but AC square. So AB square plus BC square is equals to AC into AC is nothing but AC square. So what we have to require? We require AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. And this is what we are proving, the Pythagoras theorem, by using theorem of similarity and right angle.
अशा प्रकारे आपण तीनही थिअरम्स प्रूव्ह केलेले आहेत. दॅट इज सिमिलॅरिटी इन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल्स, थिअरम ऑफ जॉमेट्रिक मीन, लास्ट वन दॅट इज पायथागोरस थिअरम. तिन्ही थिअरम आपल्यासाठी खूप महत्त्वाचे आहेत. सो आता एक काम करायचं, हे तिन्ही थिअरम व्यवस्थित सुरुवातीला समजून घ्या. समजून झाल्यानंतर नोटबुकवरती ते तिन्ही थिअरम लिहून काढा आणि ते आपल्या व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपवरती मला सबमिट करा. ओके, this is the homework for today.
And last thing, which is important for us, stay home, stay safe, and keep practicing. Thank you.